Hey everyone, so how to get multi-snap back on your Snapchat. So here it is. So I just opened my Snapchat and I don't have multi-snap anymore. I had it just like 3 days ago. Temporarily fix for that is just you can just log out and log back in. So super easy, and then you'll just have multi-snap back. So this works for me. It doesn't work for everyone. So like I would say like 50% of people it works. Other people doesn't work. I also have like background app refresh disabled for Snapchat, so it doesn't update itself. Because the moment you turn off your phone or you clear Snapchat cache or stuff like that, multi-snap will disappear again, and I need to log out and log back again. But at least this is some kind of temporary fix you can find out here. So yep, that's what I would suggest you to try out. If you have found some other solution about this, just leave it in the comments. I don't know when there will be like permanent fix, whether this is some kind of a bug or the Snapchat is trying to remove feature. We just don't know. There is no official communication from Snapchat, so let's just see what happens.